Hello and welcome back to Excelsior Academy. So today I'm going to talk about institute which is known as Dayal Educational Institute, and it is now open for PhD admission and around 153 seats are available in different streams. So guys, if suppose you're not able to clear CSIR and still wanted to do PhD, yes, of course there has to be some limitation because this is not going to give you all the benefits, but still if you think that you just need to do a PhD and you are in the teaching field, then this is the best you can go for. So this is present in the states Uttar Pradesh, and in Agra it is there, the Dayal Bagh Education Institute. So guys, if you are from that place, that area, and you wanted to do PhD, then you can apply to this. Now how exactly you can do? So for this, eligibility, of course, the master's degree with at least 55% or CGPA of 5.5. So this is the basic requirement they're asking and not asking for much. Okay, so this is good one. Then engineering candidates, they should have at least BTech or at least with the 75% score or CGPA of 7.5 or 95 or 90 percentile in GATE. Okay, so instead of asking for 99 percentage, DEI Agra is asking only for 90 percentage, and there is a relaxation of 5% for the SC/STs. So you can see over here that this is the main advertisement actually, which was released in January itself. Still it is not late. So you can see that there are many different streams are there: arts, education, engineering, commerce, etc. But here I am interested in the science, so this is my area. So and that's why I'm giving information, so that the people who have completed their BSc, MSc zoology, botany, so they can go for that. Okay, so around 8 seats are there so that you can do your PhD in these particular area. Okay, so out of 153 seats what they are talking about, for the science students, like especially for the life science students, you have got around 8 seats which is yours. Okay, now how exactly this is going to be scheduled? So PhD red test in March. Now what is red over here? This is research eligibility test, so whether you are eligible to do the research or not. Okay, so it is on the 14th of March, Sunday, and the venue is also given, that is the multimedia extension building. So guys, if you stay in Agra, so you must be knowing about this place. And there's a written exam of around 9 a.m, so 1 hour exam will be there, and on that day itself it will be clear, it will be checked, and the results will be out. Okay, and those who clear the written exam will be interviewed from 11 a.m onwards. So guys, frankly speaking, it is not exactly, it never happens on the time, so just make sure that you are free for that particular day entirely. Okay, so keep that entire Sunday free for that particular day. So you have got the 8:30 a.m, you have to report 70 minutes. Now what all questions are there? So there are two sections, section A and B. Questions from the research methodology, around 35 questions. So this is something which you learn from your experience during your MSc, BSc practicals and all. And then you have got the subject related questions. So if you're from botany, you will have botany questions. If you're from zoology, you will have from your zoology questions. Okay, so these 35 questions are yours, and these 35 is depending on your logical thinking. Okay, so the best part about this is that the questions are all multiple choice and there is no negative marking. So yes, you guys can attempt all the questions. So last date is 1st of March and it has been released already. Okay, this is the website, guys. The advertisement was out in January itself, and now it is February. You still have time, because the exam is on the 14th March and the last date is 1st March. So still guys, you have time. Please register as soon as possible. And if you're really interested to do PhD in Dayal Education Institute, please go and register. So thank you guys, and yes, stay tuned with the Excelsior Academy so that I can give you more information about the other institutes and the colleges and universities where you can do PhD of your own life science subjects. Okay, so it's okay if you're not able to clear your CSIR, but still you can do PhD. But at the end of this video, I would like to say that it will be the best for your career if you clear your CSIR. Okay, I can never go against CSIR because CSIR is going to make the career. But if you really want to go only for the teaching purpose, then you can do the universities and the other colleges PhD. Okay, but if you're really interested to do research and you want to go abroad and you want to explore the science field, then it's better that you clear the CSIR. So guys, thank you for listening. If you like the video, please share and subscribe with your friend circle so that they can also get the information about it. So stay tuned with Excelsior Academy. Thank you.